Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. It's week 51 of the $1 weekly ascending challenge. Hey Freedom Stackers! Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. Let me start by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take anything that I say in this video or any of my other videos as financial advice. This is what I'm doing. This is what I am inviting you to join me in doing, so we can all manage to save more of our money. Well, you made it. It's week 51 of the $1 weekly ascending challenge. And you've made it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, and this is your first video that you're seeing on this topic, go back and check out this playlist from the beginning, because this is a step-by-step weekly walkthrough in order to be able to save $1,378 in a year's time. Whether you decide to save your money in an envelope or a shoebox, or me myself, I save mine in my Acorns account. If you don't already have an Acorns account and you'd like to open one, go ahead and use the code in any of my videos. That way it'll know that you came from me, and you'll get $5 and I'll get $5 added to my account for free. Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 51 of the $1 weekly ascending challenge. So this week, in order to hit our goal of saving $1,378 in a year's time, we need to add in $51. So we're going to make a one-time deposit, and we'll put in $51. All right, got it. Invest, confirm, and got it. We only got one more week left in order to hit our goal to save $1,378. It's the highest amount. It's $52 for week 52, but if you've made it this far, one more week isn't going to kill you. Matter of fact, next week, when the time comes to make my video, I'll actually be withdrawing the money. I won't actually be adding the money. So next week is actually a sigh of relief, because it'll be time to remove the money out of my Acorns account. I'll probably go ahead and switch over my portfolio from moderately conservative to moderate, which gives me a little bit more stocks and a little less bonds. But that's next year. So who's with me next year? On week 1, it starts up right back out again at $1. So those are the easy weeks. So as long as you can make the dedication to continually add $1 extra in a week, next year at this time, you'll have $1,378, or pretty darn close. It's a pretty good feeling. I invite you all to join me next year. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email, on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking, and I'll see you in the next one.